Alright, so this week we're getting into Microsoft Teams and we'll have to use your cloud team, okay? Because so everyone has this application. Because some of you don't buy Microsoft Office 365 local version. So you will go to your My MCC portal and then it's right here, yeah? Click on it and it will take you to your office, yeah? Attached to our organization, and in here you can see the left navigation and you can see team right here. Okay, click on that. Alright, once you get here, this is the team platform. So you can see here, see like teams.microsoft.com, and you can have activity. You can also chat to members directly. Of course, I am a teacher, so I have my assignments going on right here. Yeah, you may have this the same for your student account as well, but it might also be a little bit different. Okay, so anyway, here is where your views for more apps. Yeah, so this is everything that is by default in your team. Okay, you can also add, add a new app, whatever you want out of it. Okay, depends on what you want to do. And also here you have more apps that you can add. Okay, so if you go into here, you can search. Okay, whatever app you want to find it. Okay, depends on your productivity. So right now, what's popular on Team and a whole bunch of stuff is gonna come up. Yeah. So we sometimes use this poll, right? For the meeting, YouTube is everybody's using it. You can also have Copilot, right? So these are pretty good. So anyway, so browse all of it. You can also change here, yeah. All templates, approve it, calendar, data collection. So they're in their own category. Okay, remote work, your productivity. So these are everything Microsoft is providing you, yeah, that you can be able to use in your team channel. So let's go back to team. That's pretty easy here. For your assignment for this week is you will have to create a team, right? And you're gonna add me, of course, and add your classmates, all right? Um, if you can. You can also add your friends. So if you could add about 3, all right, member, I would be very happy. Okay, and then screenshot it to turn in your assignment. But I will write it down on what to do. Okay, so right here you can see your controls are there. Here is your manage teams. There you have your join or create team. Okay, and here you also have a setting here that you can go into it. All right, so let's see one by one. This is just that I've created for this semester TK 101. So let's go over how to create a team. Okay, all I have to just go to first go to team. You may have a little bit different in your view. All right, depends on your account, student account. So, but look for it, join or creating. Sometimes it come up here, yeah. Sometimes it comes up right there. Okay, so we'll get into this by clicking on it, and you'll have a 2 option. So one is a create team, and the other one is a join team. If somebody has invited you, then you can join that team. You can also look for it. Okay, so if I click on it, say join a team, and it's gonna pop out here. Yeah, you can also write type here to look for the team in our organization. Okay, so let's go back. So I'm just going to go back here. Your assignment is to create team. So here you can click on it. Team is used for us to be able to meet online, yeah, safely, of course, and that is the reason why it's connected to your portal, yeah, and you can be able to communicate securely between the members of the organization. Okay, of course, the organization is so huge, so we can also categorize into different teams. Yeah, so you have your department team, you have your student team, and you have a different club member teams. You also have your class teams. Yeah, so you have so many team. Of course, right here in our department, we use Zoom more than Team, so we don't have a lot here. Yeah. Okay. So anyway, and when you click on create team, you're gonna have this page. You can create it directly from the template. You don't have to do anything. Everything has been built for you. Or you can also create from another team, yeah, already existed, and then you also can be create from your group. Right now, we're just gonna go with create, okay, from the template, easier for you, yeah. So here, your club, your study group, after school activity. This for the staff, school administration, and the development. This for the professional learning, education, and working group, and this for our class. Okay. So I want you to choose one of them and create a make-believe team, right? And add me as your member, yeah, so I can be able to give you your assignment completion grade, okay? Um, so let's go back here, and that's how to create team. And this is your first assignment, yeah. So once you have already created the team, you're gonna it's gonna show up right there, yeah. So when you click on this three little dot here, you're gonna have your control on this team you have created, okay. So here, manage team, you can add the member, yeah. So this is what you're gonna use to add me, yeah. So here you can type my name into it, yeah. It's gonna come up here, yeah. um so oh, it's not coming up here, but anyways, let's, maybe this is your student version. Let me try again. Yeah, I am in the student, so it's not gonna come out. So you can just type directly my email, okay. So this is how you're gonna add email. Of course, I can type it because I am the owner of it, so it won't show up. It's gonna show up only other people email here, yeah. So anyway, so type my name and it will show up. And if it doesn't show up, then you just put direct email, okay, and then add it, okay. So do that, create a team and add me as a member, yeah. You can also add the channel. You can also get the link from a link to team, yeah, that you want to send. You can also leave the team. This is like you're going out of this team and you don't want to join anymore, and you can leave. All right. You can also manage the tag. We don't really use that anyway. We usually use the manage team and the add member. The rest of them don't really use. So go to the manage team. So when you go to manage team, it's going to populate all about this. All right, team. Or here is I have my TK101 teammate for you and edit you, alright, into there as a temporary member for this semester. So here, when you go here, you can see the member and their location, and their role is here. There is the owner role and the member role. When you create, you're gonna become your owner, and you're gonna add me as your member. So I will go in there and check if you have completed this create a team assignment. And in there, you have more controls. You have your channels here. If you start adding your channels, it's gonna populate right there. Your setting is right here. You can change the appearance of it. You can change the member permission, guest permission. You'll mention your team code, your fun stuff, and then your tag. Okay. Then we have analytics. People don't really use this, and all the apps that comes right here, right, that you have edited is gonna be right there. And of course, the tag sometimes we use, sometimes we don't really use. Anyway, we usually just look at this member and then change the roles. So that's all about you will be doing. Okay. And of course, the setting is another thing that we use. Okay. And here you see that the little three dot right there too. See, and that's the same as what you get right here. Yeah, a little bit different, but it's the same thing. So these are all of your controls. Since I am making this as a class, so I have like assignments and the grades and reflect and the insights are in there for us. Yeah. Okay. And this is your home page. Yeah. And class note if I am going to edit. Okay. Right now, um, this is always taking some time. So anyway, so this is your home page. You can create it in any way you want it. Right now, it's just showing you the default, right? We are using a Brightspace, so we don't have to create the team at all for class notes. Yeah. and your classwork, your assignments. Anyway, so this navigation is going to be different in your student account. Yeah, it might be the same too, so it depends on the organization, whoever is setting this team up with the My MCC portal. Okay, depends on the role as well. Yeah. So anyways, this three little dot is going to give you your controls. Yeah, your manage team will take you to your settings. Your setting is right here that you can change everything. All right, and you can, after you finish everything, you can go back here. Yeah. So your first assignment is I want you to create a team, and this is what you do every time you have to meet with somebody. Okay, just like Zoom. Yeah. So if you want to meet online and you want to meet your friends or your club members, you're going to create your own team and then add them as a member, and then you can be able to collaborate works in there. Because here, see, like we have Excel, PowerPoint, Word, and everything that you can be able to use to collaborate. All the apps are right in there given to you to play with. Okay. Some people run a business by using team, yeah, between their company employees, yeah. You can also do that if you own your own business, yeah. Okay, that is all about your team assignment. Okay, um, so I'm gonna go ahead and post your assignment, and you're gonna go over this. Pretty straightforward and easy, yeah. And do the assignment and send it to me. Okay, make sure you finish your Microsoft Word test, all right, and also your past due assignments. I accept all of the assignments, so make sure you do them and just turn them in as soon as you finish it. Okay, don't don't take a long time to do something, and don't make it a habit. You know, it's a very bad habit if you cannot be able to finish everything on time. It will go into your work ethics. Yeah, so make sure you do everything on time and turn in your assignments. Yeah, if you need help, just call me Zoom, and I will see you online. Okay, you can just shoot me an email and tell me the time, and we can go from there. Yeah, to try to find the common time. All right, that's it for today.